I'm not sure that I always had such a deep love for nature and being outside, but I do know that after struggling horribly with postpartum depression and anxiety after my first baby, the only thing that healed my soul was being outside. It's like Mother Nature herself was calling to me, saying, "Come outside, breathe in my air, feel the ground beneath your feet, teach your children to do the same, and all will be well." That's what allows me to find peace today, and why I use the gifts that Mother Nature has given me in all of Daily Comfort by Crystal products.